So, welcome again guys for another video tutorial for our practice problem sa integral calculus. So, for our problem today, or for this video, is we have 2x squared minus 7x minus 5 over 2x plus 1 dx. So, for this problem, we cannot directly use any method or substitution, okay? By the way, this problem involves a substitution method. But for this one, we cannot yet directly apply the method. Why? Because if you notice, our fraction or our term here is an improper fraction rather. Because yung degree ng denominator mo is lesser than sa numerator. So dapat mas malaki yung degree ng denominator mo kaysa sa numerator. So to do that, we need to simplify that first. So we can use either long division or synthetic, but for me, mas comfortable ako sa long division. Okay, ganyan. So for our solution, I will divide this first so that we can simplify this as proper fraction. So magiging ganito. So for our first step, i-divide mo lang si 2x squared sa 2x. So 2x squared divide 2x is simply equal to x. After, you need to distribute this x and multiply it sa 2x and 1. So x times 2x is equal to 2x squared. And then x times 1 is equal to positive x. And then after, take the opposite side or simply subtract it. So 2x squared minus 2x squared is equal to 0. And then 7x minus x is equal to negative 8x. And after that, we can drop this negative 5 na lang. And then since this is still a improper, we still need to divide further. So negative 8x, same pa rin kanina. Negative 8x divide 2x is equal to negative 4. Right? Negative 4 times 2x is equal to negative 8x. And then negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4. After, just take the opposite side or subtract it. So negative 8x minus negative 8x will be cancelled out. And then negative 5 minus negative 4 is equal to negative 1. Right? And since ito na yung remainder natin, this will be our final term. So negative 1 over 2x plus 1. Okay? So instead of this term, we need to replace this as x minus 4 minus 1 over 2x plus 1. So magiging integral ng x minus 4 minus 1 over 2x plus 1 and then dx. Okay? After, we can distribute our integral sign together with the dx or integrate natin siya each term. So this will become integral of x dx minus 4, pwede kong ilabas yung constant, and then integral ng dx minus integral ng dx over 2x plus 1. Right? Sunod is, notice that itong first and second term, this is just a standard or basic formula, diba? We can just use the power rule here, and for this one, this is just equal to x. So magiging x squared over 2, and this one is equal to x, or may 4 pa, so magiging 4x. But yung last term, how can we integrate this? So dito natin ma-apply yung substitution. So for this one, let's separate it, integrate yung last term. So let's say dito. So para ma-solve to, we just need to use a substitution. So let's say I will let u equal to denominator, which is yung 2x plus 1. Okay? And then our du is equal to, differentiate lang, but it's just simply equal to 2 dx. But notice, our dx, wala tayong 2 or any constant. So therefore, we need to divide both sides by 2 so that we can solve for our dx, which is simply equal to du over 2. Right? After, we write this in terms of u, so this will become du over 2 over 2x plus 1, that is equal to u. right? And then I can also replace or put the 1/2 before the integral. So maging du over u, which is, ang integral ng du over u is equal to ln lang, right? So magiging ln of u plus c, or simply, we have 1/2 ln of, ang original value of u is equal to 2x plus 1 and then plus c. So ito yung sagot sa last term, but we still have our first and second term, so combine mo lang. So our very final answer will be x squared over 2 minus 4x, and then lastly, note, be careful, we still have negative sign here, so this will become negative 1/2 ln of 2x plus 1 and then plus c. You can combine the fraction, but for me, we can have this as our final answer. So that's all for this video. Hopefully may natutunan kayo, and you can like and subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, and that's all. Thank you.